Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show how we can exclude our IP address in Google Analytics. Why we need to exclude? For example, if you are working in office or if you have a lot of people are working in the office and if they are opening our own website, you don't want to show your metric here from your IP address. If you don't want to show, then we can exclude the IP from our Google Analytics. To do that, log in your Google Analytics account. Then bottom left corner there is a gear icon, just click on that. Then under the admin tab you need to go to the last section here, filter. Under the view tab, filters, click on the filters. Then you can see there is a button, add filter, so just click on that. Then you will get the new window. Here you need to click on the custom. Then there is a exclude, then filter field, just click on the drop down. Then in the search box, just search on IP. Then you can see IP address. Just click on that. Then in this column, you need to put your IP address. How you can find your IP address? If you don't know, I will show you. Just go to Google search engine. Then search here my IP. So this you can find here your what is your IP. Just copy the IP address. I just blur it so you can copy. Then go to the Google Analytics. Then paste here in this column. Before saving, you need to put the filter name. So I'm going to put here something like this. You can put any name. And after that, just click save. So it's already saved. So next time when you're opening your website from this IP address from any device, it will not show in the metric. So you can exclude different IP address, same method. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.